We do manufacturing, injection molding and assembly. Key market is automotive. You will find our parts all over a car, from the front to the end. We are specialized in adjusting systems, especially in lighting adjustment systems.
Part of the success at ASYST Technologies has come through with the focus on technology for our equipment and our products.
I believe technology is good for people. Technology can help people. If you want to be competitive, you have to do it the right way. And that requires modern technology, including automation, and that requires skilled people who operate these machines. We have a high level of automation, so almost every part gets checked 100%.
The customer led us into technology to some degree. In order to be successful, we had to go to technology.
I think that ASYST has always been very focused on customers, and we've grown because of our customer base.
We are really responsive to customers because at one point we are all customers.
It starts with data, and QAD has helped us become an effective enterprise by taking that data, creating information.
It changed how we did things so that we didn't have so much paperwork and repetitive functions that weren't value added. With QAD, we've been able to access our data much quicker, allowing us to make changes to the business.
We've seen a 20% compounded annual growth rate on our sales for the last 5 or 6 years. QAD has definitely contributed to the success of our company. Looking at just the financial closing process, but working with QAD, we took that from an 8-day process down to a 4-day process.
Growth is exciting. It motivates you, it motivates the team. It's an exciting area, and especially when you like cars, it's a great business to be in. We are ASYST Technologies.
And with QAD,
we're building the effective enterprise.